Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me for bringing back Basic Gray. This is a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube and Stampin' Cat on Instagram, and the links are in the description. Basic Gray does fabric now. They haven't done paper in years and years and years. We have it in our stash. We pull it out and play with it. I think I have a playlist of bringing back Basic Gray, and so you can see, typically I do projects where I see a piece of paper or a collection and it inspires me. I'm thinking I'm going to do scraps for the next couple months. So I made 2 cards this month purely inspired by the scraps. Like I pulled out these scraps and went, okay, what could I do with these? I mean, the font's a little girly, but I think it comes out as a gender neutral thank you card. And the weather has been like gray and cold and a little brutal here, so I thought, okay, I'm feeling the wintry. So many thanks. It's a double layer die. These are both Basic Gray. On a different card, I might have layered this more or done something, but the Basic Gray patterns have so much of a mixed media, kind of grungy look. It adds a lot of variety. This one is thanks. It's 4 different scraps that were already cut to that width, using those strips left over from journal pages probably. And I stamped in the back with Distress Oxide, I think just like the brown, antique-y one, because I thought the gray paper behind it might be a little bit boring. So I stamped back there, and then this thanks was already in my stash, and it's shimmer paper and gold leaf. I mean, maybe it's a little fancy for Basic Gray, but you have those days where you're like, I'm going to use this stuff up. And I am having day after day of that. If you haven't seen my tidy videos, there's a lot going on here. I do have some of those, I call them paper hairs on here from the die cutting. So just take that off. Usually they come off. 2 thank you cards, which will definitely get used. And then, of course, they each have a little scrap inside. Be sure to check out what Beth and Kathy made for bringing back Basic Gray. Our goal in this collaboration is not to use it up. It is to have fun with our stash instead of just hoarding it too. So check it out, see what they made. And in Basic Gray collaborations, you will see all sorts of neat patterns and just different paper than you see in other brands. I'll be back on Friday the 21st with Craft with 5, which is a new collaboration I'm doing this year. And I'm going to have tons of decluttering videos just rolling out interspersed for I don't even know how long. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.